Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alifia. I'm from English Letters Department. I want to tell you about a story by Oscar Wilde, with the title is The Nightingale and the Red Rose. The story tells about a boy who loves a girl and he wants to dance with her, but the girl rejected and she promised that she wants dance with him if he bring her a red rose. Then the boy tried to find the red rose, and then the nightingale, who understands the boy's problem, this bird tried to help the boy forget the red rose, but he can't find it. So he tried from one rose to the second rose till he met the yellow rose, and she tells the nightingale that the red rose was closed beneath the student's window. Then this bird flew to the student's window. After that, the red rose tells the bird, if he wants a red rose, he should make a red rose out of music by moonlight, with his heart is blue. What a sad story it is. Finally, the boy finds a red rose, so he brings it for the girl. But you know what? The girl rejected. She said that the rose won't match with her dress, and she accepted a jewelry from another sweetheart. How's your feeling if you be a boy in the story? Hurt feeling? Angry, yes. Decides that love is ridiculous and logic, he should to go home and read a book. Yeah, that's the story of the Nightingale and the Red Rose. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again on the next video.